WB Class 12 Board Exam 2024 result out at wresults.nic.in. 90% students pass exam. Dr. Nilima Kamra, the visionary leader behind our school's success. Karnataka SSLC 2024 results to be released today. Kerala SSLC 10th result 2024 live updates 99.69% pass percentage, results at pariksbhavan.kerala.gov.in. CGPSE results 2024, Chhattisgarh Board Class 10, 12 results today. Good afternoon, warm welcome. You are watching the Education News Network, where you get the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Shilpa reporting from the Education News Network. Today's stories are: West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education, WBCHSE, today released the WB Class 12 Results Board Exam 2024 on the official website, wresults.nic.in. West Bengal Higher Secondary Result 2024 can be downloaded using roll number and date of birth. As per the board data, 7,89,867 students had appeared for the WB Class 12 Board Exams 2024, of which 90% students passed the examination. Students can also check the WBHS Result 2024 through the DigiLocker website, digilocker.gov.in, and 56767750 SMS service. West Bengal HS result marks sheet will contain details such as student's name, roll number, and subject-wise marks obtained, maximum marks, total marks obtained, and pass status. We are thrilled to announce that our school has been showcased in the Knowledge Review magazine. Our cover story shines a light on the exceptional leadership of our principal, Dr. Nilima Kamra, hailed as one of the most accomplished and motivational principals in the educational landscape. Dr. Kamra's visionary guidance has been instrumental in shaping our school's success and nurturing a culture of excellence. The Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, KSEB, is scheduled to release the SSLC results for the academic year 2024 today at 10:30 a.m. With anticipation, over 8 lakh students await their results, accessible online through the official website of the board. Once released, students can check their results through official portals at sslc.karnataka.gov.in, seep.kar.nic.in, karnataka.gov.in, and karesults.nic.in. The Kerala Pariksha Bhavan today, 8th May, announced the SSLC, THSLC, and HSLC exams results. The SSLC result can be checked on the official websites pariksbhavan.kerala.gov.in, prd.kerala.gov.in, sslcexam.kerala.gov.in, results.guide.kerala.gov.in. The General Education Minister V. Sivankutty announces Kerala Class 10 result in a press conference at 3 p.m. The pass percentage is 99.69%. Last year, overall pass percentage was recorded at 99.7% for the exams that held from March 9 to 29. Nearly 4.19 lakh students had appeared for the exam, which was higher than the registrations from 2022. The Chhattisgarh Board of Secondary Education, CGPSE, will today, 9th May, declare the result of Classes 10 and 12 Board Exams 2024. The result will be announced via a press conference at 12:30. Following that, students who appeared for the Class 10, 12 exams can check the results at the official website cgbse.nic.in, results.cg.nic.in. Last year, the board recorded an overall pass percentage of 75.05% in Class 10 and 79.96% in Class 12. Rahul Yadav topped the high school exams while Vidhi Bhonsle emerged as Class 12 topper. A year before that, the Chhattisgarh board recorded an overall pass percentage of 74.23% in Class 10 and 79.03% for Class 12. Whether or not the board can cross 80% this year is yet to be seen. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to our website www.educationnewsnetwork. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.